In today's video we are going to talk about ADA and the recent news that they are going to be delisted from the eToro exchange. But first of all, if you don't know me, my name is Tiago and I make videos regularly regarding investments, markets and news that affects the economy. So if you haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up and help me grow the channel. Here in Europe we woke up today with the news that eToro will delist Cardano and TRX until next year, but to the US customers due to regulatory concerns. So in the meantime, people can still sell their Cardano and TRX in the US, and then after the 31st of December no longer be able to open new positions in the tokens, neither stake ADA or TRX. And then in addition, wallets will be effectively in withdraw only mode until the first quarter of 2022. This announcement does not specify why or which ones are the regulatory concerns. If we go see the reply from Charles Hoskinson, the founder of ADA, in Twitter, he says that he mentioned, it's on the video so we'll not see, but basically what he says that it was an unilateral decision. So eToro made that decision, didn't spoke with ADA or some representative of Cardano, so it caught us by surprise. But in my opinion, and other articles that I have read, is that if they did this, for sure they know something that they are not revealing. And now we can see here the price of Cardano. I made here some notes, so I hope you can see it. The announcement of the ETORO delisting came yesterday around 6 o'clock and the price fell 6%, adding to the losses that Cardano have been accumulated already in the past weeks. Now the price seems to or tend to recover a little bit. I will not be surprised that I will see people putting bags of Cardano at the moment. Myself, I hold ADA for a long period of time. I bought it even last year, so I had quite nice profit of ADA. And what I've done, I've sold my position, all of it, to invest it in some other coins which I believe that will outperform ADA without doubt in the next weeks. If you don't know what I've been talking about my videos, you can check the previous videos as well. That's why it's so important for me or for you to subscribe, and of course for me, so channel can grow and I can reach more people. So Charles Hoskinson didn't seem too much concerned, because of some days before Bitstamp announced that it will list Cardano to the exchange. And if you know the sizes, Bitstamp, it's a bigger exchange than eToro. But if we see, so this is the volume traded of Bitstamp in the last 24 hours, so 8,166 bitcoins. And if we compare with eToro, we can see that the traded volume is 954. But if we see here, Cardano, it's the currency that it's most traded in eToro. So why would an exchange delist something that it's their most valuable asset? It's that question that keeps ringing on my head. So something doesn't add up. For sure, something it's not right. Like I said, due to the fact that I bought Cardano long time ago, I decided to reinvest everything and allocate in some safe bags, like I mentioned here on Twitter. If you don't do it yet, you can do it at Tiago86 Castro. The link is here down below, where I regularly tweet. So sold my ADA until price settles in some support. We're going to see it in a moment. Use those profits to buy some safe bags. Ethereum, Sol, Crow. Ride the wave, use the momentum, profit. Because these people, of course, you can have maximalists, and Cardano as a huge base fan and holders. That's why I believe that the price will not go down so quickly, because a lot of people have their ADA stake. Myself, I had ADA stake for 3 months, and by coincidence it finished last week, so it was the perfect time to sell. So right away, use the momentum, profit. And whoever tells you, you need to hold and wait, yes, but if you see that you have the opportunity, and I've said it, I'm all constantly saying in my videos, if you have the opportunity to make 10x at some point instead of 2x, you should do it. You should take it. It's your money, it's your risk. So always invest what you can, not financial advice, but if you have an opportunity to gain more, please do it. That's my really honest opinion. And speaking about supports, this chart represents the market cap of ADA. So we can see that the max it was when ADA hit the all-time high in August, and since then it's a downhill, completely downhill. So we can see here now the market cap of ADA sits at 2.24%. Like I said, I will come because I believe ADA is a good project. I made videos previously about ADA, why I believe the project, why I believe Charles, why I think it's really going to change. But at the moment, on a pure financial point of view, I believe it's more profitable for me to get out of ADA and allocate to some other assets, and then when the market stabilizes, let's say, I will put some money back in ADA. So I would look to buy here when it goes down on this box between 219 or 22, more or less, maybe a little bit lower, because we have here some support. Or if the things are not positive and the news coming out and ADA doesn't roll up some update or some big news, because this is what I see. We see that all of the cryptocurrencies, despite Bitcoin or Ethereum, are going ups and downs, 55, 56. Some other coins or altcoins are going up in price, but ADA keeps going down. So it was concerning, and this the new or last day, it was the drop of water that made me took the decision, took the risk. It's a calculated risk. I'm willing to take that risk. So I'll be looking to add more position here, or here it will be the perfect, but here honestly I don't believe that it will happen. Here it's in the beginning of 2021 when I started to buy. So somewhere down here, if I see some market resistance and ADA showing some signs of life, maybe I'll add something. In the meantime, I'll stay as it is. Please, it was only the message I wanted to share with you. Once again, if you don't subscribe, if you think this video was useful for you in somehow, if it made your mind to sell a Cardano, or on the other side to buy more Cardano, just let me know in the comments below what you think about ADA. It's a project that you will hold or you totally don't believe. And thank you for view, and see you next time.